Hi, how do you determine which ads you should pause or which ads support or are working good or which you should make some changes to? Well, a lot of people are looking at CPC, CPM, and other metrics, but really the most important metric is your cost per result. That can be cost per lead if you're collecting leads, or it can be cost per purchase if you are running a conversion campaign and want purchases. So look at the cost per result. That is the most important metric. Hope it helps. If you have any questions, comment below, and don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe. Share it with a friend. Click that little notification bell if you're on YouTube. That way you get notified every time we upload a new video. And also, if you want us to do all this for you, then we specialize in Facebook and Instagram ads for coaches and consultants. So if you want to hear more about it, click the link in the description to book a call with me and we can talk about it. Also feel free to join our free Facebook group for coaches, consultants, and new entrepreneurs. There's a link in the description for that too. I look forward to seeing you there. Take care. Bye.